welcome. If you came back, welcome, welcome, welcome. My name is Friencine, and on this channel I talk about personal finances, getting out of debt, and saving for a better future. As this month is coming to an end, like I typically do, at the end of each month, I go through my sinking funds. To see what do I have left, how much did I save, basically a sinking fund update. So I'm going to flip over to my sinking fund page. This is not as luxury as the past ones because I wasn't in the mood to cut stickers, so I just did it manually. You can do it manually if you like. So, okay, this was my little sticker. Okay, so car savings. What happened this month? Was that this month or was that last month? Oh no, this was last month. Alright. Because I saw a receipt and I'm like, wait, is this month's receipt or last month's? Okay, so that was last month. So I started with $66. Let's see how much I have. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, hold on. 2, 4, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51. So I have $51 left. Let me go get... I'll use a marker. Okay. So, $51 left. So that means... Okay. I don't understand why people are outside when they should be inside. This is the reason why New York is like this. Anyways, so I lost $15. So travel, I started with $15. Let's see what I have. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17. So I have $17. So I increased $2 this month. FPC has 0, ended with 0. MacBook had 5, we're ending with 5. Emergency fund had $5. So let me do this because I'm confusing myself. So emergency fund had $5, 5, 6. So we only have $6 now. Yeah, this month was not a profitable month, to be really honest. I thought last month was bad, but this month, with all this craziness, doctor has 45. 2, 4, 5. So we still have 45. We did not gain. We did not lose. School has 25. I think school is... Let's see if school still has 25. Okay. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. So school has 10. So that means we lost 15, right? Yep, 15. We do not have 15 anymore. That came from me doing my nails. Obviously, it's not done, but I did my nails for graduation. And I know Christmas has one because I haven't stuffed Christmas in like a very, very long time. To the point where I don't even know why I still have this envelope. Valentine's Day has 0. Anniversary has 0. Birthday should have 0 because I haven't been stuffing that. Yeah, 0. Nothing's in here. Birthdays and gifts has 0. SG row. Let's see. We have $6. I don't know. This update is looking like a lot of 6s. A lot. Miscellaneous. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Yeah. Well, we have 8. So that means we subtracted 1. Whew. So this was supposed to be used because I knew my paychecks was slim. So what I might do, I might transfer this into my emergency fund. House down payment. Because I did miss not a payment, but like a savings with this, I'm going to... What? Okay, so because one paycheck I couldn't fulfill my $84 for the house payment challenge, I put aside $6. But since I already fulfilled it, I technically don't need this here. So I'll figure out what I'm going to do with that one in my cash envelope stuffing. So, and membership has 0. Okay. So, now it's time for the totals. So, let's see. I don't know why I didn't do this total already. So, 66. Plus 15 plus 5 plus 5 plus 45 plus 25 plus 1 plus 5 plus 9 plus 5 equals 181. Then let's see. 51 plus 17 plus 5 plus 6 plus 45 plus 10 plus 1 plus 6 plus 8 plus 6 is 155. So 155 minus 181. That means I lost a total of $26. Okay, so yeah, so that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Please stay safe. Please wash your hands and quarantine yourself. Please and thank you for all the medical health people who are in the front lines, because they're gonna end up being sick, and I don't want that. I have too many families and friends who are in that field. So if you can, stay home. If you can't, I don't know what to tell you. Just stay home. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.